What's up everybody, it's El from Gigo Production Group and I'm here with an update of this apartment project. In today's video, we are looking at what has been done so far with this project, checking out the various rooms and the size before we proceed to the next stage, which is the carpentry work for the decking. So come with me, let's check it out. And if it is your first time seeing this project, you should check out my previous videos. It has a lot of information from the foundation stage. You can check it out in my playlist called Bellows Project. Are you ready for today's video? Let's go!
Video no wa hwada bia no wa ya first one person will subscribe.
Masa, mobile subscribe and can them subscribe long time, masa.
This is where the staircase is going to be. No, this is the staircase. This we use block to do it. We use just block work. There's no concrete. It's apart from the base and then the base concrete. And then this is the design that I said we will be finishing. We will be finishing with either stones or tiles. We'll be finishing with either stones or tiles, depending on what we finally decide for as the finishing of the building. These are steps, pillars, these are the columns that will be designed. And this is the staircase. This one will serve one of the apartments. This one will serve one of the apartments. This is the porch leading to one of the apartments. This is the living room for one of the apartments. This is the kitchen. This is a small bar that is if they want to. They can take a bath here. And then this is the other bedroom, the first bedroom to the apartment. This is its bathroom. This is its bathroom. This is a small porch at the back of the house. This is a small porch. This is the other bedroom. This is the other bedroom. And this is its bathroom. This is its bathroom. This is the corridor separating the two apartments. This is the corridor separating the two apartments. This is where the staircase will be. The staircase for the two apartments. It will be one staircase. This is the kitchen to the second apartment. This one is a 3-bedroom apartment. There is a porch in front of it. This is the living room for the second apartment. This is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. This is the washroom, the bathroom for this first bedroom. Like I said, this is the living room. And this corridor leads to this bedroom. This corridor leads to this bedroom. This corridor leads to this bedroom. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom to this bedroom. Then we move to the third bedroom. The third bedroom is this one. And this is its bathroom. This bathroom, the back is where the staircase is. So it's behind the staircase. So this is the end of the 3 rooms. This apartment is 3 bedrooms. And the other apartment is 2 bedrooms. Okay. This is the single pillar at the back. It's actually a decorative pillar. It is going to carry the floor at the back. This is the back of the building. The back of the building. This area is clay area. The whole area is clay. So what we did when we came was we have to ascertain the clay. We will have to take the clay out of the foundation, which normally is the right thing to do, because if you do not take the clay out of the foundation and you fill it with it, the clay doesn't mold. Clay is not loose, so it will not come together. So there will be air, there will be holes in it, there will be air in it, and it will later start making noise. The floor will start making noise later. When the clay settles, it will leave a space between the floor and the clay and the filling. So automatically, you know, there will be a space in between, and if there is a space in between, then it will create problems for you who has the place, who has the building. So the only way to solve that problem then is to break the floor again, take it off, and import laterite to fill it up before you can cast the concrete over it again. And because we didn't want that, we decided to do the right thing in the foundation. So we took the whole clay, fixed it.
Thanks for watching today's episode. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. I will see you in the next stage. Bye for now. Let's do it.